The Martin B-26 Marauder was an American twin-engined medium bomber used during World War II. It was one of the most distinctive and controversial aircraft of the war, gaining both praise and criticism for its performance and design. Manufactured by the Glenn L. Martin Company, the B-26 made its first flight in 1940 and entered service in 1941. Equipped with two Pratt & Whitney R2800 double wasp radial engines, the bomber was capable of reaching speeds up to 287 miles per hour and had a range of around 1,100 miles. With a wingspan of 71 feet and a length of 56 feet, it had a high wing loading that gave it a relatively fast takeoff and landing speed. The Marauder could carry up to 4,000 pounds of bombs and was armed with several machine guns, providing it with both offensive and defensive capabilities. One of the notable technological advancements in the B-26 was its use of the Norden bomb sight, which allowed for more accurate bomb targeting. Coupled with its speed and maneuverability, this technology made the Marauder formidable, bombing from medium altitudes of 10,000 to 15,000 feet with quick and precise strikes. The B-26 was a sleek and powerful aircraft, but initially suffered from a reputation for being dangerous. Its wing loading was high, making it challenging to fly at low speeds, and many inexperienced pilots had difficulty handling it. The initial models were known to be quite hot on takeoff, leading to its nickname the Widowmaker. However, following wing modifications, and once crews became more adept at flying the B-26, its accident rate dropped significantly, and its reputation improved, albeit aided by the commissioning of large articles to be placed in various popular publications to educate the public and defend the flying accident record of the B-26 against slanders. Despite the early troubles, the B-26 became one of the most successful medium bombers of the war. With a bomb load of up to 4,000 pounds, it played a vital role in various theatres, including the Pacific and European fronts. It was particularly effective in tactical bombing, where its accuracy and ruggedness were highly valued. In the European theatre, the Martin B-26 Marauder played a critical role in the D-Day invasion on June 6, 1944. As part of the Allied effort to establish a foothold in Nazi-occupied Europe, B-26s were tasked with bombing key German defences and transportation networks. Their precision bombing runs helped soften German positions, paving the way for the amphibious landings on the beaches of Normandy. The Marauder's speed and accuracy were instrumental in this phase of the operation, contributing to the overall success of one of the largest and most complex military undertakings in history. Shortly after D-Day, the B-26 was involved in Operation Cobra, which began on July 25, 1944. This was a crucial Allied offensive aimed at breaking through German lines in Normandy and liberating additional French territory. The Marauders, along with other Allied bombers, launched a massive aerial bombardment against German positions, creating a gap in their defences. This allowed General Omar Bradley's ground forces to push through and advance, leading to a rapid gain in territory and helping to build momentum that would carry the Allies through France. The successful execution of Operation Cobra marked a turning point in the European theatre and demonstrated the B-26's pivotal role in strategic and tactical bombing missions. While mainly associated with missions in Europe, it also played a significant role in the Pacific theatre during World War II. Its deployment in the Pacific involved both strategic and tactical missions, targeting Japanese airfields, shipping facilities, and other key infrastructure. The B-26's combination of speed, range, and bomb load made it an effective tool in the island-hopping campaign, where the US and Allied forces aimed to seize critical islands as stepping stones towards Japan. However, its attempted use as a torpedo bomber was ultimately a failure. By the end of the war in Europe, B-26 crews had flown over 110,000 sorties, delivering more than 150,000 tons of bombs. What was more impressive was the aircraft's low loss rate, which became one of the best among American bombers in the European theatre. This was a notable turnaround from its early reputation as the Widowmaker. After the war, the B-26 quickly faded from service as jet technology advanced, and it was phased out by the late 1940s. The Martin B-26 Marauder was a complex and initially misunderstood aircraft that went on to play a crucial role in World War II. Its blend of speed, power, and precision made it a valuable asset for the Allies, while its unique design and troubled early history made it one of the most fascinating aircraft of the era.